Brandon from BC Autoworks here, just showing you guys quick how we read the BCM2 data from Audi A4 with VVDI Prog and the XHORSE VVDI BCM2 adapter. So get your VVDI Prog hooked up, BCM2 adapter, got to get your 12 volts going to the adapter, not to the Prog. And then make sure you pick the correct adapter. It comes with two of these adapter plates like this. And there's a second one right there. So go by the diagram, use your correct one, and you're just going to line all the pins up on the board. Make sure the pogo pins are going into the correct spots they're supposed to be in, because they could just be misaligned. Then you're going to push it down, lock it in place. Make sure you pick the correct MCU on VVDI Prog. Like, I can't flip it over, but this is the D70F3381 chip. So we'll check that one and read the P flash. You'll read the D flash, which is the EEPROM for the BCMs that don't have an external EEPROM chip, but this one has a 95320 external EEPROM chip on the other side, so you have to read that separate with the VVDI Prog to get the EEPROM data. Otherwise, if it has the internal EEPROM, you will then go and read the D flash with the adapter as well. But we already read the 95320 external EEPROM chip data, so we'll go over to VVDI 2 to make our dealer keys. We're actually going to be sending out these keys with an ECU that we did for a customer. He lost all the keys, and he sent the original ECU and keys that he had to someone because the ECU was bad, and they scammed him and stole his original ECU and all of his keys, so the only thing that he had left was the BCM2 that he sent us. So luckily I'll be able to make the dealer keys on the bench here with this, and then he will have to have someone, he's located across the country, so he'll have to have someone finish the job to add the keys once he puts the BCM2 back in the car and has the dealer keys that we sent him and the ECU. So quite an interesting job on this one. I told the customer don't trust people on the internet, even though we are on the internet, but he was going to go with us first, decided to go with the other guy who was cheaper, and you see what happened. So this is a lesson learned. Always go with BC Autoworks first.